आई थिंक ब्रांड्स बन रहे हैं, पहले पहले तो 1000 करोड़ के ब्रांड होते ही नहीं थे, अब तो दिखने लग गए। तो
कौन से आते हैं आपके दिमाग में पहले?
like we were able to build around 4-5 thousand crore brands. So but now you look at boat, जैसे आप पर्सनल वेयर में देखेंगे, आई एम लुकिंग एट ब्यूटी में भी कुछ ब्रांड्स आ गए हैं जो स्केल हो रहे हैं। Even Mamaearth has scaled to a certain level, but not 1000 crore, but they are all getting there. So new age brands are happening, but old age brands, though, I think Levi's, Nestle, they all build brands. Yeah, look at the brand Maggi has built, na?
Yeah.
It's crazy. One single category, one single product will be
But
a
they're all
billion dollar
somehow like
brand.
the ones which have really scaled have been the foreign brands which have come into
But
India.
that's why India maybe, but India, I think Marico has done well. ITC, I would rate it as an Indian company. They are building a lot of brands. तो ब्रिटानिया इन अ वे काफी इंडियन ब्रांड बना रहे हैं। तो इंडिया में
पार्ले है,
बहुत है, पार्ले है ना, अनबिलीवेबल ब्रांड है ना।
So I think for this
Amul, I think the biggest brand India has created ever.
Yeah. I think for this conversation, let's not focus or fixate upon e-commerce alone, but commerce at large, because we have the.
But digital commerce is a very interesting subject, and ultimately, digital, to buy anything, it will be a digital use in whether it will influence you, whether you have seen the brand digitally. So digital is a part of your life now. उसके बिना commerce हो ही नहीं सकता है.
You think that's the future and physical is going to die?
It's not about physical or digital.
I think digital
influencing हो ही गया. अगर आप physical buying कर रहे हैं तो भी digital का influence तो है ही है. It's a part of your life now. I don't see them as two separate things.
So you think in the future for these consumer facing brands, let's say for example जो आप बना रहे हैं, the 4 or 5 brands that you were talking about, what is the split right now of people buying them online and what is the split offline?
So firstly, I'm not building, my daughters are doing. I'm maybe a mentor. They are, because I don't belong to that generation who think digitally. The last thing digitally we did was to build a whole thing around data. उसके बाद में we did Big Brother 2-hour delivery, which became very successful. We got a break. We started Future Bazaar when FutureBazaar.com when Flipkart had along the same time.
Yeah. So, I think a little bit delay, but yeah, around 2000.
Around the same time, 2008-9, yeah. So we attempted digital. Being physical, attempting digital was the biggest mistake, because you can't think digital. People who are born digital think digital. So we were born physical, and thinking digital was adding one more layer, but that doesn't work.
And what do you think the recipe is now? What could work?
You have to think digital now.
But also have a physical presence?
Physical, you sell through every medium, but you have to think digital. Everything. When we used to build brands earlier, it was newspaper advertising, television advertising, वो सब आते थे. Now you can't build a brand on newspaper advertising or television advertising or outdoor. अभी तो brand बनाने का तरीका ही पूरा बदल गया है.